Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to block a program in Windows 11 from accessing the internet using Windows Firewall. Let's begin step by step. First, click on the Start button. Type Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Click to open it. A new window will appear. On the left side, you will see options like Inbound Rules and Outbound Rules. To block a program from accessing the internet, we need to create an outbound rule. Right-click the outbound rule and select New Rule. The new outbound rule wizard will open. Select Program, then click Next. Now choose this program path. Click on Browse. Navigate to the location where the program is installed. Usually, programs are installed inside the Program Files or Program Files x86 folder in the C drive. Open the folder of the application you want to block. Select the main executable file, which ends with .exe. Click Open. Now click Next. You will see three options. Allow the connection if it is secure, and block the connection. Select Block the connection. Click Next. Now you will see three network profile options: Domain, Private, and Public. Keep all three selected so that the program is blocked on all types of networks. Click Next. Now give this rule a name. For example, you can write Block Internet for VLC or Block Game Internet Access. You can also write a description if you want. Click Finish. That's it. The rule has been created, and the program is now blocked from accessing the internet. To test it, open the application you just blocked and try to access online content or refresh data. It should not connect. That's how you block a program from accessing the internet in Windows 11 using Windows Firewall. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical and professional computer guides.